Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top common mistakes people make when starting the keto diet and how you can avoid them for a successful journey. Whether you're a newbie or just looking to refine your approach, we've got you covered. First up, one of the biggest mistakes is not understanding your macros. On a keto diet, you need to prioritize high fats, moderate proteins, and very low carbohydrates. Make sure you're tracking your intake to stay in ketosis. Next, skipping meals can be tempting, but it's not a good idea. Make sure you're eating enough to fuel your body and avoid feeling deprived. Regular meals help keep your energy levels steady and cravings at bay. Another common pitfall is overdoing it on protein. While it's essential, too much protein can kick you out of ketosis. Aim to keep your protein intake moderate, focusing on healthy fats instead. Hydration is key. Many beginners forget to drink enough water. The keto diet can lead to increased water loss, so be sure to drink plenty of fluids and consider replenishing electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Hidden carbs can sabotage your progress. Always read food labels carefully, as many products contain unexpected sugars and carbs. Stay vigilant to maintain your carb limit. Let's talk about expectations. Many beginners expect rapid weight loss, but remember that progress takes time. Focus on building healthy habits, and your results will follow. Meal prepping is a game changer. Not planning your meals can lead to poor choices when hunger strikes. Spend some time each week preparing your meals to stay on track and make keto living easier. And finally, don't give up too soon. Everyone's body reacts differently to dietary changes, so be patient. If you hit a plateau or face challenges, consider adjusting your approach rather than quitting entirely. And there you have it. Avoid these common keto diet mistakes to set yourself up for success. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and drop any questions in the comments below. Happy keto!